everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a Hot Flash and Wrinkles Monday video, and today we are going to be doing something a little different. We are not going to be trying out a foundation, we're going to be trying out a concealer. So I am going to be using the L'Oreal Infallible 24-hour Fresh Wear Foundation, and I got it in a new color. 420 True Beige. This one is lighter. See, this is the one I had already. This one is vanilla. This is the one I ordered on Amazon before these were in store. Well, they were in stores probably in big cities, but in my stores there were none in there. So I ordered this on Amazon and I thought it was the right color, and you can't return things on Amazon. Well, you can return lots of things, but not makeup. But I did like it. We tried it out and I did a review on this. So I wanted to get the right color because this might work in the summertime. I mean, I made it work. But anyways, that's the color difference. So we're going to try the lighter one because I'm lighter right now. But I also got, since we're going to be trying out the concealer that we're using for our Hot Flash and Wrinkles today, is the e.l.f. Camo Concealer that everybody says is so great. I have two colors because I think I need two colors. I actually have four colors, but I tried them on my hand and I think these two are the ones I want to use. So, but since we're doing e.l.f., I thought I don't really have any of the e.l.f. foundations that I like. So I didn't even try to get an e.l.f. foundation. That's why we're using the L'Oreal, because it's still drugstore, but I know I like it. But I got a couple of things I want to see if they're dupes for my Tarte Face Base Hydrating Primer and my Pixie Milky Mist Hydrating Spray. I got a couple of things from Tarte. This is not from Tarte, from e.l.f. This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Primer Mist. Give this a shot. Ooh, the sprayer's not very good. Oh, yeah, it's like a garden sprayer. Definitely not a mist. Anyways, hopefully it's still good though. So I'm going to let that dry for a second, and then I also got this e.l.f. Hydrating Primer, Face Primer. So we're going to try that too. I'm going to let this dry for just a second. I hope these are good because, although I have to tell you, when I bought these, I thought e.l.f. is really proud of themselves these days because these were not cheap. This was $10 and this was $8, and the Milky Mist, it's only, I think, $12, 15, maybe 15. But it's great. I already know that. So now the Tarte, this was like $28. So if this $8 one, or $9, I think it was $9, is good, then that would be a good dupe. This one, I don't know, even if it's good, is it good as good? Because that one's good, and it's only a little bit more. So this is dry enough. I'm going to put some of this on my finger. It's kind of like a jelly. It doesn't smell good. It smells like cooking oil. That's not a good sign. It probably is cooking oil. Feels like oil too. I hope it doesn't make my face break out. I already have one red spot right there. Oh, I don't really like this. It's definitely, I don't think it'll be my favorite. It's definitely not going to beat my Tarte because it stinks. I had to put a jacket on because I'm freezing. So we'll just work with it, okay? We're going to start our foundation, and we're going to be using the L'Oreal that I showed you. It is the 24-hour Fresh Wear Infallible in the color True Beige. Let's see if this works. I hope that I didn't mess up by using this e.l.f. primer. Hope it still has a fair chance. But we're not testing out the foundation anyways, because I already know I like it. So that way I'll know if the primer's any good, because if it's not, if my foundation isn't good, then I'll know it's the primer, because I already tried the foundation. I got my ginormous sponge wet, and it is ginormous. I probably need more, because I forgot I was going to use a sponge. Sure makes it fast though. I think we got the color pretty good once we bronze it up and stuff. I think it'll be perfect. Yep. I'm pretty much hating this primer stuff. I thought I would, because I can't just put oil on my skin. It looks separated. It's just, and then by the time, if you can't get it to press in, you end up just removing it. And that is what it looks like right here. It looks like it's breaking up. And I don't think it is breaking up. I think it's just the oil kind of made a barrier so it can't sink into your skin like it's supposed to. Guys, I'm going to go wash this off, and we're going to start with my good primer, because I just don't like the way this looks. Well, it's starting to settle down a little bit. I just don't feel like I'm going to give the concealer a fair chance. Yeah, because this oil is making it sink into my lines. Okay, so I'm going to go wash my face, and then we'll come back and start all over. Okay guys, I am back, and we will start again. So, e.l.f. Hydrating Mist and e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Definite nose. This smells like straight up Crisco. This, I really don't know, but the sprayer on it is horrible. It felt like, you know, one of those pump sprayers you use for Windex or something. It's definitely not a fine mist. So, I would not recommend either one of those. So, I have already washed my face, re-moisturized, and then I primed my face with my Milky Mist from Pixie, which is $15, and my face base, which is my favorite primer right now. It's a hydrating primer. So let's go in with our foundation again and see. I know I love this foundation, so, but I guess if it does this again, well, no, it wasn't the primer, but the primer still stinks. But I know it was the primer. And I'm going to go in with my brush this time first to spread it out. Then I'll go in with a sponge. You see hairs. And this is a damp sponge, and I can already tell it looks better. Okay, I'm going to go in with the concealer now that we are testing. And I am going to use, I've got light peach and medium peach. And I am going to go in with the light peach first. And I'm only going to do one eye at a time, because I watched Tarte do it, and she said she would recommend doing one area at a time because it dries down really fast. And then I'm going to go in with the medium peach. And the only reason I'm using two colors is because I compared it to my Shape Tape that I love, and neither one was quite right. I don't know, guys, it's looking pretty cakey. Hopefully it will dry better. But it looks pretty dry. Making me look like my eyes are peeling. I don't know. So many people love this concealer. I thought it would be great. That's why I bought 4 of them. But it's not looking that great to me. It's looking very cakey. I know you guys can't see that, but if you could see that it is super, super drying right there. Maybe once it dries down it'll be better. We'll just go in and do the other side. Maybe once I put stuff on top of it too. I'll put a little less. I really just want the colors mixed. I'll mix them with the sponge. Well, this one looks better. A little bit. I need to put a little bit on this zit. I don't know, it just must be a bad makeup day. I think it looks pretty dry and cakey, more than Shape Tape. So I'm just going to leave it like it is, because that's enough. But so far, I'm not seeing that I love it. I had seen so many reviews that were so good, I thought, okay, this one's a good one, so we will just make a video of how to hide your dark circles and eye bags with that. But now, I don't know, it's so dry and it's not very appealing. So I wouldn't want to, it's going to draw attention to him rather than away from him, unless it changes in the next few minutes. And I don't see that happening. So we're just going to finish our makeup, wear it all day, and see how it does. Because maybe that moisturizing stuff will come through, Or maybe when I put setting spray on it, it'll... I don't know though. I don't put that much setting spray under my eyes. So let's go in with our powder. That's probably not going to help. But you never know, right? So we'll just go lightly. Because, yeah, it's not really doing much for this at all. It's making it worse. I think I will just highlight with powder since I'm not loving what the concealer's doing for me. I'm using my Brighten Up Banana Powder by Essence. For this. I don't think I'm going to powder the rest of my face. I think I'm just going to take my powder brush and spread out what I've already put on, since I kind of want that glow to stay, since my under eyes look so incredibly dry, and they do. Okay guys, I'm gonna go off camera, finish my makeup, and I'll be back. Okay guys, I am back. This is the final look for today. I have to say, I am not gonna give this concealer a thumbs up. It is too dry. I think it is even drier than Shape Tape. So I just don't like the look. It seems to accentuate my fine lines, and I don't want that. So I'm going to give it a no so far. I will wear it till the end of the day, because I'm going to wear the rest of my makeup till the end of the day. And I will check back in at the end of the day and let you know if it changed, but I don't think it's going to change. It's just really, really, really dry. I don't know why all those youngsters thought it was so great, because Shape Tape's way better. Of course, Shape Tape's a lot more expensive too. This was, I think it was only $4 at my Walmart. Tati said it was $5 though, so it might have been $5. I don't remember. Anyways, I'll be back at the end of the day. Okay guys, I'm back. This is the final check-in for our e.l.f. concealer. Camouflage 16-hour concealer. It does look like it will last 16 hours. I just don't like how it looks. And it looks exactly like it did when I put it on. So, my thought is, yes, if you can get it on nice and smooth, if you have smooth skin, then it probably is great. But for my old skin, it's super dry and it's looking crepey even where I don't normally look crepey. So I am giving it, for my mature skin and wrinkles, a thumbs down. Yep, it's just not getting it, and I'm so glad I didn't put it up here like I normally do, and down my nose and on my chin, because it would have definitely really sunk into those. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and share this on all your social media. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Thank you for watching my videos, and I will see you in my next video. Mwah!